Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here or just stopping by, hello, my name is Jennifer and I'd love it if you stuck around and subscribed. Today, I wanted to do a really pretty bold navy and gold kind of smoky eye for New Year's Eve. I'm not planning on anything. I have to work on New Year's Eve. New Year's Eve has never been a big thing for me. I work in healthcare, so I'm always working for the most part. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you do. You can also follow me on Instagram. It is always linked down below in my description box. But I hope you guys enjoy it. Also, I just want to quickly, I don't like gold 99.99999% of the time just because I am so pasty. I just prefer silver. But I broke my wedding set. That is actually the wedding set I'm normally wearing is actually my second one. I'm really tough on rings apparently. But I wear my wedding set every day and I almost tripped at work and I caught myself in a door frame and I bent all three of my bands because they're so thin. I bent all three of them. So I've been wearing this ring that my grandmother got me, but it's so pretty and it is gold, but I still really like it. It could kill somebody though. It's very pointed. And also these nails are so cute. They're Kiss and Press. They're a holiday set. They're just super pretty. They're matte black and gold and I really like how they came out. So I'm apparently just embracing gold in my life now, but I'm gonna stop rambling. I hope you guys like the video and let's get into it. All right, so we're gonna start off by priming our eyelids. I'm just gonna use the ColourPop, what is this? No Filter Matte Concealer in Fair 00. It's just a straight white concealer. I apologize ahead of time if you can hear my 2-year-old. I don't think I've filmed a beauty video since her birthday. Ellie turned 2. Oh, I don't know how 2 years flew by. I don't particularly care for it, but it's okay. But she's running around in the living room with James. It's just been a super hectic couple weeks. We had her birthday party, then we had my stepdad's birthday, then we had Ellie's birthday, then we had Christmas. And my Christmas ran from the 24th through the 27th. And I'm actually filming this on the 28th. So my Christmas just ended. Okay, so for today's look, you already know from the intro, I want to do like a super pretty navy gold look. This has actually been stuck in my head for like 2.5 weeks. So I'm gonna go in with the Profusion Electric Blues palette. This was in a previous giveaway. I really like this palette when I'm in the mood for a pop of color, and one of my favorite colors in it is Enigma, which is this dark navy blue, and it's actually the only navy blue I have. I really thought the James Charles palette would have navy in it, but it did not. So I'm going to start off on a crease brush and I'm just going to feel the fallout hit my face. Okay, I'm gonna start off very lightly in my crease and then I'm gonna start to build this up, and I am going to extend this. I'm gonna try super hard to not make this look like I got punched in the face. I'm just going to continue to blend all this together and try to build up that dark navy color, and I'm gonna go ahead and throw that on my outer corner as well, trying to leave that center piece right here alone. Okay, so when I look in the mirror, it doesn't look patchy, but when I look in my camera, it's like ultra patchy right there, and I don't know why. Yeah, it's still looking super patchy and I don't really know why. That fallout is no joke. Also, these brushes are intense, and I have like a whole set of them that my mom got me for Christmas. I love them. They're so extra. All right. I'm gonna pause on that for just a second because it's slightly pissing me off about how patchy it's looking over here. So I'm gonna go in with a clean little tapered blending brush, and I'm gonna take a Nautical, I think. I'm gonna take a mix of Nautical and Addictive. Addictive looks literally just like Enigma, but a little shimmery. I'm gonna take this just right in the crease. Yeah, I don't know why it's looking so patchy right there. Blend, you sack of shit, blend. Whatever. I'm gonna move on before I drive myself insane. And I don't know why I put it up. I'm gonna take that ColourPop white concealer again on a Morphe M421. That's extra. It's just a tiny little concealer brush. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect, and it definitely mixed with that navy and made a really pretty light blue, but that's not what I'm wanting today. So I'm gonna try to continue to look down as to not crease my cut crease. You know what I'm trying to say. And I think I'm gonna, this is the Honey palette from ColourPop, and I'm gonna start off with Sunburst, which is a really pretty pale gold, just to see how that works out. Prob's gonna add a different one, but for right now we're gonna go in with this one. It's almost making it green. It's fine. Yep, nope. Moving on, now I'm gonna try Queen Bee, which is just the mid-tone gold in this palette. That's a little better, but it's a little yellow. So I'm actually gonna go in with Totally Buggin'. I'm sorry. I'm gonna go in with this super dark gold and try to tone down the yellowness in here. It doesn't have to be totally perfect because we are gonna go back and finagle a little bit. I'm gonna take Enigma, that navy, and fudge this corner, this little seam right here. I'm gonna take a little bit of just any matte black. Mine's just out of the Anastasia and Alyssa Edwards palette, and we're just gonna take this and deepen out this corner a little bit. It's just not quite as dark as I'm wanting it. Okay. I'm gonna stop right here. It's looking absolutely crazy, but we're gonna stop. I'm gonna catch up my other eye and throw on my face makeup and my eyebrows to, oh, I hope that's not broken, to see how this is turning out. Hopefully I can bring this together and it doesn't look insane. Okay, I'll be right back. We are back. That was an intense couple minutes. What am I doing? Okay. So we're back. We put on our brows. My brows are angry. I need new brow pencils. I'm trying to run through what I have, and honestly, it's just very stark and in your face. But it's all good in the hood, y'all. It's all good. I am currently just trying to find my little smudgy brush that I love so much and cleaning it, kinda. I finally washed my brushes. I want you guys to know I've been saying it for like 3 months, and I know that's disgusting, but I finally did it. Okay, so now we're gonna do our lower lash line, and for that, these shadows are so powdery. I hope I don't get a ton of fallout. Oh, I need some blending help over there. Anywho, I'm gonna take Enigma, which is just that dark blue, and I'm gonna connect it over here, and I'm gonna smudge it down a little lower than I normally would, and I'm gonna try to keep this whole inner area clean. And just while I have that navy on, I'm gonna go over here and try to fix this little boo-boo. Hopefully that helped it. Anywho, now that we're done with that, I'm going to attempt to find just a plain black eyeliner. We're good. I'm going to tightline with black. Yep, pretty simple. And I am going to go ahead and do a highlight. And for my highlight, I'm actually going to take this palest gold. Just throw it in my inner corner. So you guys can't really see it, but I can. And I'm gonna almost connect it to that navy on my bottom lash line. Like so. Whatever's left on my brush, I'm gonna throw up there. Okay, we are done officially with all the eyeshadows. Okay, I'm gonna quickly hop off the screen and I'm gonna use my Physicians Formula Eye Booster in Ultra Black to create a wing. Oh, this is the waterproof version. Squeeze me. I'm gonna take the Purple Essence Lash Princess and do a couple coats of mascara, and then I'm going to add the Kiss 01s. This pair is used, this pair is not, and I just have to trim off one little of it at the end there. So I'm gonna do all of that very quickly, and then we will be back to finish out this look. Okay, we are back. My air just turned on. Well, my heat, you know what I mean. You know what I mean. Y'all aren't dumb. Yeah, so hi, we're back. We put on our lashes, and now the only thing left to do for this video is add a lip. Now, if you think this is already too bold for you, go ahead and do a pretty nude glossy lip. That would look awesome with this because I did extra glowy highlight. But I want to do a pretty red lip just for New Year's. And this is the e.l.f. Liquid Matte Lipstick in Red Vixen. It is my hands down favorite red liquid lip. It's not a true bright red, it's a little darker, and I just prefer darker reds. So I'm gonna apply this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel if you did. I'm so excited for 2021. If you did not already know, I will be starting a nursing program to get a nursing license, and I am so excited. I've been working toward this for years. I have lots of big plans for my channel and just my life in general for the new year. So I hope you guys subscribe and follow along on my little journey. Leave a comment down below with any of your resolutions you're gonna start this year, or any, you know, anything cool that happened in 2020. 2020 pretty much sucked for everybody, but you can always find something positive even if the majority of the year has sucked. There's always something positive. So I hope you guys had a decent 2020, or at least something good in there. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.